Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, the place where cleaning professionals come to level up their business. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most critical aspects of running a successful cleaning business, landing high-paying clients. Now, if you're tired of getting by with smaller jobs and you want to start scoring those big-ticket clients, this is the video for you. Stick around, because I'm going to break down the exact strategies you need to position yourself as the go-to cleaner for premium clients. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why focus on high-paying clients? Well, the answer is simple. Larger contracts mean higher profits, fewer clients to manage, and most importantly, more stability. Instead of running around doing multiple small gigs, you could be focusing on a handful of high-value clients who will actually allow you to grow and scale your business. Sounds like a dream, right? But how do you make it a reality? Let's get into it. All right, first things first. Positioning is everything. If you want to land high-paying clients, your business has to look the part. Imagine you're a potential client willing to spend thousands on cleaning services. Would you hire a business that looks like it's barely holding itself together, or one that exudes professionalism and trust? Here's how you start positioning yourself. Branding. Make sure your logo, website, and social media pages are polished. High-paying clients want to work with businesses that look established and reliable. Service differentiation. Don't just be a general cleaner. Offer something unique. Maybe it's green cleaning, hospital-grade sanitation, or even tailored services for luxury homes or corporate spaces. Specializing can make you stand out as the expert in a particular niche. Testimonials and reviews. If you don't have solid reviews yet, make this your top priority. People trust businesses with proven track records. Consider reaching out to your existing clients for feedback or even offer a free or discounted service in exchange for a review. Next up, you need to get the word out. But here's the kicker. High-paying clients aren't hanging out on Craigslist looking for a cleaner. They're browsing online, networking in exclusive communities, and looking for trustworthy businesses with a solid reputation. Here's how you can market to them. SEO and website optimization. Your website is your digital storefront, and it needs to do the heavy lifting for you. Make sure it's optimized for search engines with relevant keywords like high-end cleaning services or commercial cleaning contracts. You'll want your business to appear when these clients are searching for services in your area. LinkedIn. Yes, LinkedIn isn't just for job seekers. It's a goldmine for professionals and businesses looking for commercial contracts. Create a profile for your business, post regular updates showcasing your work, and connect with property managers, office administrators, or even high-level executives who could hire you for corporate spaces. Targeted ads. If you're looking to land high-paying clients quickly, consider running targeted ads on platforms like Google or LinkedIn. Focus on terms like luxury cleaning services or office cleaning for large businesses. The more specific you are, the better results you'll get. Step 3. Networking for success. If you're not networking, you're leaving money on the table. Many high-paying clients come through word of mouth and referrals. Building relationships with the right people can open doors you didn't even know existed. Join your local chamber of commerce or other business associations. These groups often have high-profile members who could use your services or recommend you to someone who does. High-end real estate agents deal with luxury homes all the time, and guess what? Those homes need cleaning. Build a relationship with agents who can refer you to homeowners or commercial property managers who oversee large office buildings. Offer your existing clients a discount or incentive for referring you to new clients. People love sharing good experiences, and a little nudge can help them do just that. Step 4. Build strong client relationships. Once you land that high-paying client, your work isn't over. In fact, this is where the real work begins. High-paying clients expect a premium service, and maintaining a strong relationship is key to long-term success. Always, and I mean always, exceed expectations. If a client asks for something to be done by a certain time, get it done earlier. If they want a basic cleaning, throw in a little extra by detailing the high-touch areas. It's the small touches that clients remember. Keep an open line of communication with your clients. Touch base regularly to ensure they're satisfied with your services and ask if there's anything more you can do. This not only builds trust, but also opens the door to upsell additional services. High-paying clients want to feel valued, know their preferences, keep track of their needs, and personalize your services accordingly. It shows that you care about more than just a paycheck. Step 5. Leverage online platforms for exposure. Last but not least, let's talk about the power of online platforms. If you're not leveraging the internet to grow your business, you're missing out on a ton of opportunities. Make sure your business is listed and optimized on Google. My Business. Encourage satisfied clients to leave glowing reviews and make sure your listing is filled with high-quality images of your work. Use Instagram and Facebook to showcase your before and after transformations. People love seeing visual results, and social media is a fantastic way to connect with potential high-end clients who are browsing for services. Consider creating video content showcasing your services or offering cleaning tips. This builds credibility and showcases your expertise, positioning you as a trusted professional in your industry. Closing thoughts. There you have it. If you want to take your cleaning business to the next level and land those high-paying clients, focus on positioning yourself as a premium service provider, market smart, network like a pro, and always over-deliver. By following these steps, you'll not only land high-paying clients, but you'll also establish a business that stands out in a competitive market. Thanks for watching Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on growing your cleaning business and elevating your success in 2024.